Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming potential severe weather outbreak that will be happening throughout parts of the plains and the lower Midwest or lower Great Lakes this next coming 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. And before we get into this video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 85% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. The SPC has enhanced highlighted in their Day 2 outlook and slight highlighted in their Day 3 outlook. Cities included in Day 2, tomorrow, Wednesday, are cities included like Lawton, Duncan, Yukon, Fort Still. All those cities in the orange region are most at risk for severe storms tomorrow. And the SPC has a good sized region of 5% where there may be pockets of extra shear that may bring up that tornado threat in that brown region. But the main threat will be wind, damaging wind. They do not have a significant severe highlighted for damaging winds, but they do have a significant severe highlighted for hail, which means large hail up to 3 inches in diameter will definitely be possible, especially in the black region there. In the Day 3 outlook, which is Thursday, we can't see the exact probabilities, but they do have a slight region issued for parts of Kansas, Missouri, going into Illinois. And the main threat I see this being will be hail. Damaging winds are a sub-threat, but I am not currently expecting tornadoes at this time for Thursday. Going into the models, you can see here, tomorrow evening, you do see there are some pockets of favorable shear, you could say, in parts of Oklahoma and Kansas and northern Texas, where the SPC does have that 5% tornado highlighted. But otherwise, the tornado threat does seem to be fairly low, so that's something to not be too concerned about with this one. But tornadoes are still possible. They do have a 5% highlighted, so tornadoes are definitely possible. And if we look at the sounding right around Texas, Oklahoma, you do see here they have severe highlighted. Parameters are pretty strong, but you do see here there isn't too much of a tornado threat. Temperatures 86 with dew point 65, which definitely a small concern there. And then you can see it does push northwest into the Great Lakes and Midwest, with the greatest threat being around Illinois, Missouri, Kansas for Thursday. If we look at precipitation, Wednesday afternoon, going towards Wednesday afternoon to evening, you do see some severe storms popping up through Texas and Oklahoma. And continuing into the overnight hours, you do see it continuing into Kansas, Oklahoma, where the SPC does have the slight risk issued. Marginal will be more of an isolated threat at this current time. Right now, the Climate Prediction Center does have a region extending from Oklahoma into Minnesota for potential severe weather from May 20th through May 21st. This will be something to watch out for, and severe weather during these days can definitely happen outside these yellow lines, but this is where the chance is greatest, and this will be updated. I think it gets updated every day, I'm pretty sure. So we'll have to watch this one closely. That's your trusted weather forecast for this upcoming potential severe weather outbreak. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.